I'm gonna go make some coffee, man. Give me 1 second. Oh man, what a day! What a fucking day! Okay, let's see. Welcome to the show. If you didn't know what anal feels like, this is it. This has got to be pretty close to what it feels like, I'd imagine. 4-hour buy signals, I guess. I don't know. I mean, if you're buying for long term, you might be crazy right now. If you're trading, that's a different story. But everything is looking really fucking bad, man. Yeah, the tariff shit's not going as planned. Who would have thought? Who would have thought that starting a global trade war would go well? I guess Trump, yeah, right. Well, I guess we're down about 9-10 trillion on the markets today. So let's go. Could we bounce? Yeah, I don't know, man. You are getting buy signals, but like look how quickly it's exhausted. I mean, I don't think so. I think you should be looking for better short entries now. I think I scalped 119 sold to 105 sold. I stop lost it. It was 104%, and I stop lost at like 90% when they made that fake news that the tariffs were delayed like assholes. And then it sent like to like 79K, and then I stop lost on that, but I still made 90%. So I'm trying to get back in at like 107, 108 for another short. If you're leveraging above 10x, you're never going to hold these. I'm just warning you. The market makers are wicking the shit out of the market, so you can't hold like really high leverage for a long time. So the best way is to like make a very big short and sell on the bounce and then re-enter. Like that's exactly what I've been doing since 98K, and I've had like a good 4 or so 100% plus shorts, which has like kept me alive and able to like buy the dip when the dip comes. I'm not buying shit right now. Like I have no intention of buying this shit until it actually bounces. I mean, you are so far below the moving averages here. And I mean, the economic situation is pretty terrible. We got orange swanned by Mr. Trump, man. Wow. Well, I guess when life gives you lemons, just fucking drink the lemonade, man. You know? I guess that's the play. So I actually got in this play much earlier today, and it's like really holding up. I entered here too. Like I entered literally about right here on Plume this morning. It's doing really well considering. Just watching Soul closely for short. I've opened a little bit short, probably like half. You need to really break this, man, to be a bounce. Look at that. I mean, this is a perfect. I drew this one out nicely. Um, yeah, you really need to break that. Wow. Otherwise, we're gonna just boom, boom, boom. You see what I'm saying? Dump, 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 dump. Well, you can always pick up plays. Like this is literally this plays up quite like 30%, and it's like a 4x. It wasn't like a heavily leveraged play. I'm not doing like anything heavy leverage right now. It's like actually impossible. Yeah, man, that looks pretty nice on the 3 hour. The 2 hour looks a little juicy too on that. Huh. Weird. Definitely getting some buys signals. But it just feels psychotic to buy right now, man. Like, not in the long term. Everything I'm talking about is like for today, tomorrow, the next day. I'm not looking long term. I mean, I don't know. It looks really interesting on the bounce, man. But like, why? Again, man, I wouldn't be buying shit long term. I mean, I like you could buy Bitcoin long term. I guess that's fine, as long as you're like willing to just dollar cost average Bitcoin like every paycheck or whatever. because Bitcoin is definitely going to fucking bazooka at some point. I don't know if it's this year or next year, but I mean, Trump put a plug in everything. We should have already hit our second top this year, probably 130K, and then we should have had like a very natural dump off and like a little bit of a bearish downtrend. But we just like went from a normal correction in a bull run to a tariff black swan event. Like the tariffs just kept expanding the Bitcoin correction, which like should have probably bottomed at like 90, 92. And then obviously it just fueled the worldwide economic collapse. I mean, I don't know what to say. Bitcoin isn't doing anything differently than your other indexes that are, I mean, look at the S&P, look at Bitcoin, look at everything but gold, man. Even gold is down today. Like, that's interesting. US dollar had a bounce. Bitcoin dominance is probably through the fucking roof. Yo. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna play the trend at the current. The long-term trend is bearish, but if you see a trend reversal, you might as well try and scalp some profits here, man. I opened Foxy while I was live just now on a 4X because it's pretty low cap. Let's see if we can short Sol yet. No, a little bit higher, baby. All right, what the fuck is going on in the Degen world, man? Let's see. If I make some more money here, maybe, honestly. Fucking Mo sent this to me, but it was like here. I didn't want to really buy. I was worried it could just, whoa. But it looks pretty solid. It has a good reason to pump, too, with that name, Panicking. After Trump's tweet today. Come on, Bitcoin, man. Just get a bounce. Just the short-term bounce is okay, man. It just let me scalp this longs. I opened at 76. I opened long at like 76 this morning on a bunch of shit. And I had my Solana short open from Saturday at 119. So I made a nice bag on that, honestly. And now I'm just going to look for another short entry at some point. I'm playing the longs since 76. So I'm up 2.7K on Bitcoin on that. Not like in profit, I mean, just since I entered, basically. Bitcoin's up since I entered. And if I can get a good pump here, maybe if I could catch here, I would short everything again. Obviously, I would leave my longs. I'll raise my profit because, like, if I hit here, most of my longs will be at 100% profit at the leverage they're at. So what I'll do is I'd set the stop loss to about here to take, honestly, I'd probably just take 80, 90%, if not all of the long. And then my shorts would have been opened here, and I'll just short right down to this line. Then I would expect another bounce and a smaller bounce, and then boom. Without some sort of bullish catalyst to reverse the market, that's kind of what I'm seeing in my mind right now. I mean, I can't predict the future. I can't tell you what the fuck Trump is going to say or what Europe is going to say, but it's a possibility, to say the least. Oof, a lot of scary shit going on in the fucking market right now, man. I mean, look at this shit, bro. What? How are we getting to 78, 9 all of a sudden? Like, Chef Trump really cooked the motherfucking market, man. I don't care if you're a supporter or not. I'm just telling you what the chart is showing since the word tariff came up, okay? That's all. I'm not into your politics. I'm not into Republicans or Democrats. I don't give a fuck. What I care about is the market getting tanked. When you're paying hard-earned tax money to invest into the economy and the markets, and then one person dumps the hard-earned money you've put into the market. Wreck City, bro. Holy smokes. No. Holy fuck, man. I'm gonna get the 50% additional on China? Holy shit. Holy fuck. Yeah, free speech, bro. That's why I'm on my third Twitter account. I actually had followers at one point. But just like Trump rugged us, Elon rugged me. Mr. Elon. Holy smokes, man. Just fucking fuck you. Just fuck you, dude. Dumpy do the. Let's pump some fun into our lives. Fuck. Stupid Olympics. Shit. Bunch of shit, man. Bunch of shit, man. That's pretty good, honestly. Tariff Chino. Taxer of the United States. Man, people are going all out with this shit, huh? How did this not send? Just a panic guy? This is actually a good idea. Where is it? It's not up here yet. This could send, dude. Dude, this fucking plume play is sending. Who the fuck hit a 40% play on a day like today that's not a short? Dude, this panic guy's gonna send. I need a dump off, though. This sucks, man. What a pain in the ass to trade in these conditions. This is fucking great. Look at this. I'm just so happy fucking Eric Trump told us to buy ETH at 2.8K and thank him. You guys should start writing out your fucking thank you cards. Start writing out your thank you cards. Damn. Lucy sent. Send us to the poorhouse, man. Trump sent us to the poorhouse, guys. Welcome. Welcome to the fucking show. 100. Rack City, man, up in this bitch. I mean, we're still scalping plays here and there, but there's only so much you can do other than short. And like I said, shorting is it's a ladder. It's not something you just like open and leave open like people act like it is. I mean, it's especially with these dead cat bounces, it's not. You have to exit the trade and then re-enter again. The market maker alone won't let you just leave a short open. Like, they're gonna wake you out at some point, whether you're asleep or awake. They're gonna come and they're gonna get you. They're gonna smash you, man. So don't get smashed. Don't get smashed, man. Pump fun is lame today. This fucking coin, man. What the fuck? What the fuck? What in the fuck is this? This is weird, man. Okay. Whoa. Again, you've got like two options. You're going to bounce back up here, possibly hit resistance and dump back down, or you're just going to dump down from here, so like, wow, we burnt that for no gains. Just trying to combat sells. Yeah, dude, it's pretty fucking cooked, bro. Any way you look at it. All right, guys. I'll be on tonight. Don't buy the dip, please. Just play the trends. Save your capital for an actual bullish reversal. I mean, even you end in 10% late, it's better to be 10% late and actually in a bounce than to predict and then to get rug pulled on. So, and if you're new, go join us, Degen Tribe.